Welcome to Magelab Tutorials. Episode 2, Make a Workspace for Fido. As an example pet owner of dog Fido, we will show you how a workspace in Magelab keeps every file for our pet project in one place. In this episode, we use an example pet project folder. If you are interested, you could download the folder from the link in the comment below. After you download the pet project folder, type and ask Magelab to find the pet project folder in the download folder and set it as workspace and hit enter. The AI in Magelab is working on the reply. Let's call the Magelab's AI Mage. Mage just confirms workspace set. Let's go to the upper corner here to verify. Let me see. Okay, it opens the pet project directly as the workspace quickly. And you can see all the Fido's files were there. Woohoo! That's it. Next episode, Unify Inputs.